Samsung plans to introduce its new line of QLED televisions next week in New York City. This first event will take place on March 7 at around 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and will take place in the Stock Exchange of the United States. Samsung says it can keep up with the event on its social networks and through its newsroom. Normally, Samsung introduces its new line of televisions at CES in January, but the company did not present these televisions in Las Vegas this year, and instead opts for an event a little later in March. In contrast, at CES Samsung revealed a 144-inch micro-LED TV, which caught a lot of attention. However, these new QLED TVs from Samsung should be available for purchase next month, more or less, from the usual retailers, which include Amazon, B&H Photo, Best Buy and even Samsung's own online store. Samsung has been using QLED panels on its products for just over a year. While it debuted QLED TVs in 2017, it was not until 2018 that it started debuting QLED monitors and even shows for the car with Harman. Samsung has been running QLED panels lately, as it believes that QLED is better for these screen products larger than its OLED technology, which it uses on its mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. What leaves LG and Sony as the sole manufacturers of OLED TVs? Sony only has one model, while LG has a full line. QLED TVs look pretty good, but not as nice as an OLED TV. It will cost a bit more money. It will be interesting to see the prices of these new Samsung TVs next week, and in what sizes Samsung decides to release them.